Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to install the Reporter plugin on a Bitnami Stack Redmine that is installed on Windows operating system. So the very first thing that you have to do is to go to our site and request a license manager link so you could be able to download the latest Reporter plugin version. So you have to go to RedmineUp.com and then scroll down to the license manager. Please click here and enter your email address. If you have some problems and you cannot receive the license manager link, then please contact our support team at the bottom right corner here, and our support agents are going to send you the license manager link. Okay, so now let's proceed further with the installation. The very first thing that you have to do is to just start your Bitnami Stack Redmine. In my situation, it is Redmine 5, so you have to enter the folder and then double click on the Manager Windows file. Here on the Manage Servers, please click on the Start All. So the web server as well as the database are going to be started. They are now up and running, so let's go and check. In my situation, Redmine installed on my local Redmine and my local host for testing purposes, so that's why it's the local host. So we access our Redmine, and please take a note that it is starting, it needs some time to start, so that's why the application is not available. So we just have to be patient and click on refresh. Okay, so it is now running. We are now going to check on administration and an information page to see what is the situation there. So we see Redmine 5 and our current plugins list. So at the end of this video, we will have the Reporter plugin installed here. Okay, so let's go back to our downloads folder and just extract the archive that we have. So this is our Reporter plugin. So we copy the folder and then go to our Bitnami Redmine again. And here you have to enter apps folder and then Redmine and then htdocs and then plugins. Here please paste it. Okay, so now you have to go back to your core Redmine folder and find the use Redmine file. Just double click on it. Okay, here now you have to change the directory to apps, apps Redmine and then htdocs. Alright, so the first command here is bundle install. This will install all the required gems for your Reporter plugin. Okay, and the second command is to do and run the migration. It is done with the command bundle exec rake or redmine plugins rails env production. So we now wait for the migration to start. You have to be patient here as well. Alright, we see the migration has just started. Okay, so our migration is now finished. The last thing that you have to do is to go and restart our process. So the database and the web server has to be restarted. So we click on restart all and just wait for the restarting. Sorry. Yeah, so the restarting is done. We go back to our Redmine and just refresh the page. Yeah, as we have said earlier, starting Redmine needs some time, in our case now, restarting. So we have to be patient again and just keep on refreshing. Alright, some more patience needed here. Okay, so our Redmine is now restarted, and as we can see, the reporter plugin is now appearing in the plugins list. So we have done our job successfully, and the reporter plugin is installed on Bitnami Stack Redmine on Windows operating system. So I hope this video demonstration was helpful for you. So yeah, if you like, you could check other videos in our other articles for the documentation. So thank you very much for watching it, and bye bye for now.